So for Brusco, we have Nabula, Marcada, Corpus, Tarsena, and I think that's a Galvi Pineda as their starters. I know that's Sangkuya as the starters. For the Tamaraos, we have Resurrección, Villanueva, Lima. That's Ingaran and I think that's D. Tioco, the other starter. Sorry, that's Villanueva, the other starter for the Tamaraos. Okay, we start. Tamaraos control the tip. Lima to Villanueva, wala. Rebound Brusco. Forward pass to Nabula. 2 points for Brusco. Tarsena with the assist. Uy, number 24, D. Tioco, down the lane is fouled. So this is Jericho Emmanuel D. Tioco to the line for 2 shots. First free throw's good. Second shot, wala. Rebound for Brusco. Three-pointer. Wala. Rebound Ikang Tamarao. Number 3 is basket. That's Rafi Ingaran. Basket's good. So 4-2 is the score ng mga Tamarao effect. Nabula down low, wala. Rebound Ingaran to D. Tioco. D. Tioco is fouled. Uy, traveling down 7 rep. Traveling. So 4-2, 8 minutes and 47 seconds sa ating first quarter. Tarsena to number 6 for 3, wala. Marcada misses. Here come Tamarao FX. Ingaran and a blocking foul ang tinatawag. So offensive foul. Resurrection with a moving screen. So Brusco will have possession. Tarsena, it's the 3-pointer. 5-4 lamang na ang Brusco. 8 minutes and 14 in our first quarter. D. Tioco, wala. Ibang Nabiola. And he's fouled. Foul on Carlo Lima. Tarsena. Uy, moves around Villanueva and one gutsy basket by Kenneth Tarsena. And he'll go to the line for a 3-point play. 7-4 na ang score. Lamang ang Brusco by 3 points. Tarsena misses. Villanueva gets the rebound. Tioco to Lima. Lima, he stepped on the line. Out of bounds. Bola ng Brusco. Marcada to Tarsena. Tarsena to Nabs. Nabula underneath. And one. Richard Nabula. Lima picks up the foul. That's his second personal. And also the fourth team fouled for Tamaraw. So, penalty na sila in essential. 3-point play for Nabula is good. So, 10-4. 6-point lead for Brusco. Ditioko down low. Oy! Nasapal. Nice D there for Nabula. They have 10 to shoot. Okay, 2 may points. Wala. Rebound, Tarsena. And foul on Carlo Lima. That's his third personal foul. And again, that's the penalty. So 2 free throws now for Brusco. Uy, free throw off the glass for Kenneth Tarsena. Second free throw, wala. Uy, offensive rebound sa kanya pa din. Lalabas niya here sa Marqueda. To Tarsena. Tarsena drives down the lane. Tarsena! Kenneth Tarsena, anong nakain mo ngayon? What a start for him. Ditioko bumawi. Oh, pero natapik. Here comes Brusco. Nice defense there for from Marqueda. Marqueda. Nalabas niya. Songkuya. Back to Songkuya. Corpus to Tarsena. Tarsena fakes. Tarsena down the lane again. Kenneth Tarsena is on a roll here. 15-4 ang lamang ngayon ng Brusco. Resurrection to Ditioko. He's blocked from behind by Marqueda. Tatakbo ulit ang Brusco. Marqueda. Up and under. Wala. Rebound. Here's Carlo Lima. He's already got 3 personal fouls. Ditioko. Uy! Napaka galit na move doon. Jericho Ditioko. 15-6. With 5.5 left in our first quarter. Tarsena will try a 3. Short. Uy, pero nado si Nabs. Offensive rebound or a pass. Call it how you want. Still a 17-6. 17-6 ang lamang ng Brusco. 11 puntos na ang kalamangan. Approaching the 5-minute mark. Ditioko. Nasapal ulit. No foul called. Corpus to Marqueda. Basket here means substitutions. Nina Marqueda. So substitution. Second 5 for both teams have to come in. It's 19-6 Brusco. What a fast start for Brusco. 4 minutes and 55 left in our first quarter. So Tamaraw with the ball. They'll try to get out of this 13-point hole. Here's Ditioko to Alindayo. Alindayo to Baguio. Baguio with a looper. Wala. Rebounded by Del Castillo to Weldy Pineda. It's now 21-6. 15 na ang lamang ng Brusco. Ditioko down low. Alindayo is fouled and one. Edgar Alindayo, instant offense. Alindayo misses the free throw and the rebound ng Chris Paz. Is Del Castillo. Uy! Contact there, no call. So turnover daw, sabi ni rep. So bola ng Tamaraos, they're down by 13 points with 4 minutes left in our first quarter. Again, na penalty na ang Tamaraos. So every foul they commit, free throw na ang Brusco. Is Ditioko to Alindayo. Alindayo drop pass stolen. Del Castillo with the ball. Del Castillo, fumble and a traveling double dribble. Call it how you want it. It's a violation. Babalik sa Tamaraos ang bola. 3 minutes and 30 left sa ating first quarter. It's a 13-point lead for the Bruscos. Alindayo. Underneath to that's the name here says Ingaran, but his jersey says Lorente, so I'm not sure what his real name is. He'll take the 3 though. Wala. Rebound Brusco. Okay, natapik Ditioko. Controls the ball. Baguio, jumper, wala. Rebound mako ni Alindayo. Alindayo to Maliabo with the basket. That's Raf Maliabo. Pero si uy, what a move. Sayang, reverse shot. Hindi pumasok. So it's a 21-10 game. And a foul on Pineda. So both teams now in the penalty with 2:31 left in our first quarter. First free throw's good. Second free throw, again his jersey says Laurente, but in our document here it says Rafael Ingaran, so I'm not sure what his actual name is. Anyways, his team's down by 10 points. Tumres ang Brusco, wala. Pass misses that. Here's Laurente / Ingaran. Laurente, wala. Rebound Del Castillo. Del Castillo 4-on-2. Del Castillo all the way to the hoop with a basket. 23-11. 2 minutes left in our first quarter. Baguio to the corner. To Maliabo. He hits the side of the board. And Tamaraos call a timeout. So with 1:48 left in our first quarter, score is 23-11. 12-point lead for Brusco. Second
quarter, sir.
So game resumes. Bola ng Brusco. Here's number 23, Oscar Malapit. Malapit to jumper, wala. That's Ashley Susi. Baguio to Alindayo. Alindayo down the lane, wala. Rebound Del Castillo. Alindayo looking for the foul there. Non-called. Del Castillo all the way to the hoop. Wala. Rebound Maliabo. Here comes Ditioko. Ditioko, wala. And number 23 is down. Del Castillo to Pineda. Pineda, runner, no. Offensive rebound, pasok yun. Guelby Pineda. It's the basket, 25-11. 55 seconds left in our first quarter. Alindayo barrels his way through and is fouled. Foul is on Oscar Malapit. So again, both teams penalty. So Alindayo will shoot 2 shots. Alindayo per shot is short. 14 ang hinahabol ngayon ng Tamaraos. Up. And anong tawag doon? Took too long to shoot? 10 seconds? Yeah, I guess he took too long to shoot. You only have 10 seconds to shoot the free throw. You don't get that called very often, pero it does happen. So still at 25-11. 43 seconds. Pass for 3. Pasok! Chris pass for 3. Benedict pass. 28-11. 17-point lead now for Brusco. Medyo nangangamoy first game to, no? We'll see if Tamaraos can mount a comeback here. Alindayo is fouled again. Foul is on Ashley Susi. Alindayo. 2 free throws. First free throw is good. Alindayo second shot is good. So 2 for 2 for Edgar Alindayo. 28-13. 25 seconds left. May 1 second difference with the shot clock and game clock. So this is Oski Malapit with the ball. Uy, natapik. Stolen. Here comes FX. Ditioko is fouled by Malapit. And some words they're being shared between Malapit and Ditioko. And both, I think they'll be called for double technicals.
Number 24 and number 23 of Bristol.
So Ditioko to the line for the 2. Again, it's penalty, no? So both technicals cancel each other out. So they'll shoot the penalty, 2 shots. Pasok yung una. Second free throw, wala. Rebound Del Castillo. 5 seconds left in the first quarter. The very eventful first quarter. Uy, mukhang turnover yon. So babalik sa Tamaraos ang bola. You have 4.4 seconds to try and manufacture a shot here. Ditioko. Uy, no foul called, and that will end our very animated first quarter. Both teams in the penalty early. Pero after all that, lamang pa rin ng Brusco, 28-14. So we start our second quarter with Brusco nursing a 14-point lead. And they have possession.
Hindi ba si Arindayo dire-diretso? Hindi na. Si Arindayo, dito din ang meron ng pagkakita, di ba? Arindayo sa siya eh. Kasi ito, di ba? Kapag din sa first quarter.
Number 17, Alindayo, sir. Hindi ka pala balik pumasok. Nakatapos mo lang, sir.
Wala lang ba sila? Wala lang sila eh. Wala lang sila. Mas okay lang. Kasi may ano doon eh. Okay lang, okay lang. Oh, okay lang doon. Okay lang, sorry. Wala lang pala sila. Oh, that's fine. Okay lang. Yeah, so may nagkaroon lang ng clarification about the substitution kasi 8 players lang yung Tamaraos today. So yeah, may mga players na mag straight shift, no? Okay, but a bad pass there. So play resumes 28-14 in favor of Brusco. Tarsena to traveling for Gian Abaya. It's number 25. Calendario has the ball. They are down by 14 points. Resurrection looking for a teammate. Sinasak na lang niya. Lost control of the dribble. Turnover. Here's Marqueda. No. Rebound number 19. Wala. That was Duke Ong. Misses the shot. Here's Lima. Lima to Alindayo. Here's Nabula. That was turnover there. Nagulat siya kay Nabula. Marqueda for 3. Yes, good. Nino Marqueda. And this is now a 17-point lead for Brusco. 8:20 left in our first quarter. Alindayo drop pass to Lima. Lima no good. Alindayo rebounds. Wala pa rin. Rebound. Nabitawan ni Malabo. So turnover. Eight minutes left in the second quarter. Brusco still with a 17-point lead. Marqueda to Tarsena. Tarsena had a very hot first quarter. Nabula wala. Rebound Lima. This Resurrection to di nakatingin si Malabo. That's the second time this game. So that's another turnover. So si Ong ang magbababa. They're up by 17 points. 7.5 left in the second quarter. Ong. Hawak daw, sabi ni ref. Foul number 29. As Villanueva picks up the foul. So 7 minutes left in our first half. Here's Marqueda. Marqueda for 3. Wala. Rebound Alindayo. Tamaraos will push. Alindayo. Look pass to Resurrection. What a pass break play there for the Tamaraos. 31-16. Del Castillo. That's the Tarsena again. He continues his hot first half. 33-16. Brusco still in command. We have 6:25 left in the first half. Resurrection to Tres. No good. Rebound Nabula. To Tarsena. Pass is too long for Gian Abaya. So na si Alindayo pushing it to the front court. Nahulog si Abaya. Malabo misses the 3. Here's Tarsena and the foul from behind for Malabo.
Number 13 is first.
Abaya misses. Nabula underneath. Sayang, but he gets his own miss. Still couldn't get it to go. Apex Resurrection underneath is fouled and one.
Basket's good. The foul number 6.
It's Hyson Resurrection. So it's a 3-point play here for Tamaraos. They're down by 15 points. Pasok ang free throw. So it's 33-19.
The score 33-19 in favor of Brusco.
5 minutes and 20 left in our first half. Ong to Tarsena. Tarsena, spin move. Nabitawan lang. Nabula's there for the putback. Pwede na mag-substitution. So, pwede na yan mag-second 5 for both teams. So, it's a 16-point lead again for Brusco as we resume play here as the subs go in. So again, we resume Tamarao's ball. 16 ang kanilang inahabol. His Resurrection. Swing the ball around. Baguio. Short. Rebound pass. Here's Joseph Corpus to Del Castillo. Del Castillo to Songkuya for 3. That's Celso Songkuya. So it's 38-19, biggest lead of the game for Brusco. Here's Jericho. Jericho gets the screen. Jericho down low to Baguio. He blocked there. Pass break, 3-on-1 for Brusco. Uy, nice defensive play by Alindayo. He topped the play all by his own. At ayun, na last touch pang Brusco. So that's very nice defensive play there for Alindayo. Alindayo, forward pass. Nakuha ni Resurrection. Resurrection, fakes. And he's fouled.
Foul number 44, his first.
So, a foul there on pass. And the Resurrection will go to the line.
Sir, time out ka, sir. Time out. Time out, time out, time out. Time out.
Timeout. Tamaraw FX.
So timeout has been called by Tamaraw FX. 4 minutes and 4 seconds in our second quarter. So back to the game. Resurrection will have 2 shots. First free throw is good. 38-20. Missed free throw. Pass with the rebound. So it's a 38-20, 18-point lead for Brusco. Under 4 minutes left in the second quarter. Corpus. Oy, drop pass. Corpus has the ball. Oy, and a foul's been called as Susi spins.
His second.
So, bola ng Brusco. Songkuya for 3, no good. Rebound Alindayo. Alindayo, coast to coast. Walang huminto sa kanya. Oh, pero na-block siya ni Benedict pass doon. So here comes Brusco. Del Castillo. Del Castillo, uy, shuffle pass pero pakat si Songkuya, turnover. Here's Jericho. Down the lane, basket for Jericho Ditioco. 3 minutes left in the second quarter, 38-22. Brusco pa rin ang lamang. Pass for 3. It's good. Benedict pass. Hits the 3-pointer. So back to an 19-point lead. 41-22. Laurente, no good. And it's foul. Miss. And the basket's good for Jericho. 41-24. 2 minutes and 15 left in our second quarter. Pass for 3, wala. Rebound Jericho. 2-on-2. Ditioko. No good. He looked for the foul there. Baguio gets the rebound though. Baguio. Balik kay Jericho. Push shot's good. Jericho Ditioko makes it 41-26. 15-point lead. So 1 minute and 40 sa ating second quarter. Uy, Ashley Susie for 3. Wala. Rebound number 3. Tamaraos pushing. Lorente, 2 points for Lorente Ingaran. And a foul from the backcourt on Resurrection.
His second.
Corpus to Paz. No good. Rebound Lorente Ingaran to Jericho. Jericho 2-on-2. Loses the ball. Jericho. Wala. Offensive rebound. Pasok. For Ditioko. Lead is down to 11 points. And that will force Brusco to call a timeout. So again, it is down to 11 points with 46.2 seconds left in our second quarter. So back. So a penalty na ang Tamaraos. 2 shots now for Corpus. First free throw's good. Corpus second free throw also good. So 2 for 2 for Joseph Corpus. 43-30. 13-point lead. 30 seconds left in our second quarter. Alindayo, babalik muna kay Jericho. Here's Jericho. Balik kay Alindayo. Alindayo down low is fouled from behind. Fouls on Susie. Ferguson pass. Fouls on pass. And 2 shots for Alindayo. Uy, mintis ang unang free throw ni Edgar. Second free throw. It's good. So, 43-31. 18 seconds left in our second quarter. Last shot na dito ang Brusco. Here's Del Castillo with the ball. 8 seconds. Del Castillo. Baseline. Oy, blocked by Jericho. Oy, pero nakuha ni... Oy, binato ngayon from backcourt. Oy, it hit the rim. Pero that will end the first half. A very animated first half. Biggest lead here was 19 by Brusco. Pero ngayon it stands at 12. 43-31. Okay, back to the ball game. Start of our second half. Lamang ang Brusco 43-31. Pero Tamarao FX ended that quarter with a mini run to bring it down to 12. Lorente, 2 points. So the lead is 10 points. This is the closest they have been. Talking about Tamarao FX. Nabula, jumper, pasok. That's Richard Nabula, 45-33. Alindayo down low to Lima. 10 to shoot. Resurrection for 3. No good. Rebound. Makakuha ni Guelby Pineda. Here's Brusco. Carcena. Uy, lost the ball. Pero na kaya. Uy, underneath. Guelby Pineda. Unbothered. 47-33. And a turnover there for Tamarao. Carcena to Nabula. Nabula hook shot. Wala. And last touch ng Brusco. So, pupush ngayon ng Tamarao. 47-33. Uy. Lorente. Uy, masyadong malakas yung tira. Pero gets his own miss. Lima. Down low to... uy! He thought he had a teammate there. So, pupush ng Brusco. Here's Oski. Oski, malapit. Malapit na malapit yung tirang yon. 49-33. Uy, Alindayo. Wala. There's a circle shot. Uy, pero jump ball. Marqueda will inbound. They are up by 16 points. 49-33. 7 minutes 45 left in the third quarter. Pineda to Tarcena. Tarcena's open. Will he... Uy, sumalaksak na lang siya. Tarcena, no good. Rebound Malyabo. Malyabo, uy, bad pass. Pero nakuha ni Resurrection. Resurrection, same ball. Same ball. Lima. Down low. Lima. Underneath. No good. Rebound Nabula. Nice man-to-man defense there for Nabula. Here's a Guelby Pineda. All the way. Back to an 18-point lead for Brusco. 6 minutes and 56 ang nalalabi sa ating third quarter. Alindayo to Resurrection down to Lima. Lima. Hook shot is good. Carlo Lima. 51-35. Carcena with the ball. Sorry, that's Oski malapit. To Nabiola. No good. Rebound Tarcena. Uy, Tarcena loses the ball. Here's Lorente Ingaran. To Resurrection is blocked by Oski. Pero nakuha ni Resurrection ulit. The basket. 51-37. Pineda to Marqueda for 3. Short. Rebound Resurrection. 6 minutes left in the third. Alindayo to Resurrection. Wala. Alindayo's there. Blocked from behind by Oski again. Forward pass Tarcena to Nabula. He's fouled and he'll go to the line. Foul. Pasok. Substitution. So Jericho and Baguio in. Labas muna si Alindayo and Resurrection. (52-37). 15 points ang inahabol ng Tamaraos. 5 minutes and 35 left in our third quarter. Baguio to Jericho. 6 seconds to shoot. Ditioko is down and no foul called there. Walang tawag, no foul doon. Okay, so last touch lang yan. So 5 minutes, approaching the 5-minute mark of our third quarter. Brusco trying to protect a 15-point lead here. Marqueda, double dribble. Sorry, that's Pineda. Yeah, that's double dribble. Oh, 3 seconds pala yung tinawag. 3 seconds on, I think. Pass misses the 3. Susi underneath. Wala. Rebound Lima. 7 seconds to go in the third. Oh, stolen by Del Castillo. 2 to shoot. Songkuya. No good. And that will end our third quarter. Lamang ang Brusco by 20 points. 61-41. So we start our fourth quarter. 20 points ang hahabulin ng Tamaraos. 61-41. Jericho to Lima. Pass sa fumble, turnover. Pero nakakuha ni Lorenta Ilangan. Ingaran. And another bad pass, turnover again for Tamaraos. So, babalik sa Bruscong bola. Del Castillo down low to Nabiola basket. 63-41. Three points for I think that was Jericho. 63-44. 9 minutes left in our fourth quarter. Del Castillo. Marqueda for 3. Bunawe ang 3. So 66-44. 3-pointer by Marqueda. Jericho babawi. Off the glass. Jericho Ditioko. It's a 3-pointer. 66-47. Yes, a 19-point lead still for Brusco. Del Castillo to Nabiola with a basket. 68-47. Ditio, the 3 ulit. No good. Heat check. Uy, nabitawan lang ni Marqueda sa bola ng Brusco. Sorry, ng Tamaraos. Alindayo to Lima. Lima fakes. Uy, natapik ni Nabiola yon. And the ball will go to the Brusco. Uy, pero bad pass there by Del Castillo. Stolen by Lima. Alindayo to Resurrection. Oh, no good. Nabiola with the rebound. Tarsena. Uy, wala. Rebound Lima. Ditioko. Wala. Tapek ni Nabiola to Joshua Susi. Tamaraos call time, 7:20 left in the ball game. 17-47 lamang ang Brusco.
Isa sa Tamarao at tatlo para sa Brusco. Timeouts remaining, isa para sa Tamarao at tatlo para sa Brusco.
So back to the ball game. 17-47, 7:18 left in the ball game. Here's Ditioko. Alindayo. Oy, sumalaksak. Malakas ang tira. Rebound Susi. Here's Marqueda. Marqueda to Tarsena. Tarsena to Del Castillo. Marqueda for 3, short. Rebound Laurente, Ingaran. Laurente, no. Tinapik ni Guelvi to Del Castillo. Del Castillo, uy! He crossed him up. Del Castillo to Susi. Uy, sayang. Rebound Lima. Lima 2-on-2. Lima against Pineda, and a foul on Pineda.
Foul number 27 is second.
Six and 10 left in our fourth quarter. Inbound baseline out of bounds for Tamaraos. Lima sa ilalim mo, block by Susi. Lima pa rin, wala. Rebound Susi. Tarsena to Guelbi again. Pineda. Oy, wala. Wala pa rin. Stat padding. Ayun, masok din. Guelbi Pineda. 72-47. Someone from Tamaraos bench also called out stat padding daw. Alindayo jumper short. Rebound Lima. Underneath wala. Lima pa din yon. Basket 2 points. 72-49. 5 minutes and 22 left in the ball game. Susi. Susi with the jumper. That's short. Long shot, long rebound. Uy, pinasa. Ala ni Nabiola, titira na niya. The pass overshot the mark. Turnover. So 5 minutes left. 23-point lead for Brusco. 72-49. Ditioko, wala. Rebound Susi. Nabiola, forward pass to Pineda. Pineda, oy, bad pass. Stolen na Alindayo. Alindayo for 3. Wala. Alindayo saves it. Nakuha ni Tarsena. Oy, saves it to Laurente Ingaran. And the basket from Alindayo. 72-51, 4 minutes, 16 left in the fourth quarter. Pineda again cherry picking and is fouled.
Foul number 7 is third. Substitution.
So some subs coming in for both teams. Guelbi Pineda to the line for 2 free throws. First shot pasok. Second shot pasok din. So 2 for 2 for Guelbi Pineda. 74-51. 4 minutes left in the fourth quarter. Villanueva misses. Pero nakakuha ni Baguio ang rebound. Baguio will shoot. Short. Rebound Villanueva to Baguio. Ayun. Ay, sayang. Rebound Nabiola. Nabiola forward pass. Pero stolen there by Jericho. Ditioco for 3. Wala. Rebound Tarsena. Tarsena to Susi. Susi, no. Rebound Tarsena. Basket. 76-51. Baguio jumper. No. Rebound Nabs. Abiola to Tarsena. 3 minutes to go in the ball game. Tarsena misses the 3. Kanyang rebound. Oy, bad pass. And Brusco calls a timeout with 2:58 left. It's a 25-point game. Back to the action. Under 3 minutes left in the fourth quarter. By all accounts, this is one game now for Brusco. Oy, Villanueva for 3, wala. Rebound Lima. Lima with the jumper, short. Rebound that's Mercada. Mercada to Abaya to Songkuya. So Brusco will use some clock. They're well ahead here. Pass for 3, no. Rebound Lima to Alindayu. Basket for Alindayu. 76-53. Oy, bad pass. Stolen. Baguio. Baguio. Wala. He's fouled.
Foul number 44 is fourth.
So Paz with the foul, his fourth personal. And Baguio will go to the line for 2. Oy, first free throw, wala. Second free throw for Baguio, short. Songkuya for 3, no good. Rebound Paz. Paz, oy, nabitawan na bola. He is fouled. Traveling daw, sabi ni Rep, traveling. Substitution. Oski in for Mercada. Pass, sorry, that's Lima. Lima underneath, wala, and he's fouled. If that's pass, that will be it for him.
Foul number 44, bypass.
So Paz is fouled out for this game. First free throw, malakas for Carlo Lima. So with this win, Brusco will get their first short. Rebound to Tarsena. 1 minute and 12 left in the ball game. 76-54. Ong passes it to wala, sayang. Rebound Alindayo. Alindayo forward pass to Lima. Wala. There's Abaya. Sorry, this is Oski. To Tarsena. Tarsena to Ong with the jumper. Malakas. Alindayo with the forward pass. 40 seconds left. Villanueva, wala. Rebound Ong. Doesn't get it. So 33.9 left in the ball game. Baguio, wala. Villanueva gets the offensive rebound. 76-56. 27 seconds left in the ball game. Final score na lang hinihintay natin dito.